Hi, my name is George. Good to meet you. Today is the 20th anniversary of the American with Disabilities Act. To celebrate, the FCC is joining forces with the Department of Commerce and the White House with a program and an exhibition with a number of exhibitors at the Department of Commerce. So we're gonna head over there and go take a look at the exhibits. Come check it out with us.
You know, we're here to celebrate the 20th anniversary, believe it or not, of the ADA. We want to kind of give people an historical view of closed captioning. You know, people may not remember that in 1991, Zenith was the first to introduce TVs with analog closed captioning. This is one of those first sets. The next generation, and here we are in 2010 and beyond, is what is called mobile digital television. And so this is a new standard that will deliver digital TV to viewers on the go. And you're going to see products like this little portable DVD player that has a built-in antenna to be able to receive this programming. A television set that receives live, over-the-air, local TV signals. And there are actually 9 TV stations in Washington broadcasting this new mobile TV signal right now. All of them with closed captions. We're very proud to see, you know, how far the technology has come, and now we're looking to the next generation to continue to make sure that consumer electronics products are accessible in the 21st century.
So my name is James Drain, and the company is called Anthrotronics. This is Cosmobot, and Cosmobot is a therapeutic robot, works with children with disabilities, and with disabilities, a robot is much less threatening than a human, especially a strange human. So you can do a lot of things with a robot that you can't do with a human. So we use it, and we've designed it as an aid to the therapist, so not to replace the therapist, but as more of a tool. For instance, we did a study with children on the autism spectrum, and we put a camera in Cosmobot's nose so you can see in the nose. And so one of the activities was one child would sit in front of Cosmobot and would have to convey either a positive or negative emotion non-verbally. And so another child that was partnered with, you know, as part of a two-child team, the other child would be in front of a video screen showing the video from Cosmobot's nose. With Cosmobot, we hope that the goal is to productize it, and we'd love to get it into classrooms. Like I was talking before, we use it as a therapist aid, but we'd also like to use it as a teacher aid. To just get children interacting with it and manipulating their environment.
That's great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah,
really
sure.
appreciate it.
Hi, I'm Jay Wilpon. I'm an Executive Director of Speech Services Research at AT&T Labs. Today we're here to show some of our work in speech technology and how it's being applied or can be applied to the assistive services community. One example that you see on our screen here is something we call iWalk. This is a prototype where a visually impaired person, this is Shiri on this side, is able to interact with devices and become more mobile and get walking directions. So she talked to a device, asked it for a movie theater, and then the voice in there is asking her,
walking for 2 minutes,
telling her where to go, and giving her feedback when to cross the street, when to turn, when to get near a device. We form partnerships. This is a partnership with a company called Vlingo. Send an email to Sandy Wilpon. I'm in Washington, D.C. And what will happen is the speech is streamed up into the network. I could send it. It will automatically send a message. And so from safety reasons, I didn't need to type the email. I could just speak it. I could do the same thing with SMS messaging. I could dial a phone. I could just say, call somebody. I could search the web. I could update Facebook, Twitter, all of the creature comfort applications that people like to do on mobile devices, I can do using speech technology with this application.
Hey, we hope you had a good time with us this afternoon and enjoyed a little look at all the booths that are really advancing assistive technology for people with disabilities. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you at the next event. So long.